Welcome to the first unboxing video for the exclusive release by Sabers Forever Aeternum. This saber comes with a Sabers Forever sticker featuring Aeternum itself, 3 Allen keys of various millimeter sizes, double-pointed quartz crystal, and a vintage-style PCB. This is a replica, not a real vintage PCB. Removing the emitter reveals your blade retention screw, and in order to disassemble the rest of the saber, the top grip needs to be separated from the 2 bottom rings above the activation box. On the crystal chamber, there is a stopper, which stops the 2 rings from being removed. Finally, you can remove the 2 rings, and after that, I would move right over to the pommel. The activation box is spring-loaded plungers, so on removing the springs, make sure to keep tension on the box as to not lose the springs or plungers. At this point, the saber is ready for any kind of finishing that you would like. You could chemically age it, have it powder coated, anodized, acid etched, laser engraved. The decision is yours to do as you like. On assembling the saber, make sure to cleanly thread all the pieces back together. There is a nylon grub screw to create a tension for the PCB to allow it to stop from sliding out when you're using it. Make sure to assemble the 2 bottom rings before putting the stopper on. Here you can see just how that works. And finally, the top grip section will be resecured to those rings, and the final assembly should stop the removal of the top from the bottom. Additionally, make sure that your blade retention screw is not protruding into the thread section, as this will make it difficult to put the emitter back on. The crystal chamber holds the double-sided quartz crystal. You can remove your pommel, line up your switch section with the activation box, slide it in, and put the pommel cap back on. This allows for quick viewing of the crystal chamber inside the saber. For those that are interested in a more original trilogy look, a Graflex clamp can be affixed to the saber, and there is a plunger system that has been invented to allow actuation of the switches on the inside of the saber. I hope you enjoyed this breakdown video, and I'm eager to hear everyone's thoughts when they finally receive Aeternum. Thank you for your attention.